Hello, good evening. My name is William, and I've been in the Forex for Beginners Academy for about 3 or 4 weeks going through the learning, the training. Before I found this, it was a journey like unbelievable. It cost thousands of dollars. You go through a lot of people that show you what to do and tell you they know what to do, but they mostly turn out to be salesmen and not traders. They know how to talk but not how to trade. I looked at programs that were similar to Ali's, to Saad Ali's, but Ali's is finite and right on the money every time. He helps you with your training. Now I understand support and resistance, which I didn't really understand before how to do it. The structure of the market, trend lines, channels, moving average, Fibonacci retracements. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. Now I know how to read, well, mostly know how to read the price charts. I'm still not, will be training forever probably. And TradingView. It's the tool that you need to be a trader. TradingView doesn't really tell you much on how to use it, but Saad Ali has it down to the fine science, everything you need to know. And he also has a private student group where you as a student can turn in homework, and Ali will mark it up and correct it and show you what you did or did wrong, or somebody else in the group will comment on everything you turn in and to make it better so you can make sure you have it right. And that's about it. There's no catch. It's totally free, and he's there for you 100%. Thank you.